Nah, it's fine. Okay. I don't know if
It's all on you, honey.
Exactly.
Hold on. There.
Hold on, let me put the chair down. Okay, now I can see me. Okay, we're gonna do burp combo. Go on, Coco, watching us eat.
I can't burp with chips. Chips.
Chips. Chips.
Ready? Yeah, it is.
Alright.
Look at that, I'm polishing now.
Ready?
No, me first. Ready first. So now I'm gonna burp. She thinks she gonna beat me, but she can't. Nobody can beat me. Come on, Lola, because you're the monster. And Tara, whatever her name is.
Don't worry. It comes out naturally. You have to wait.
Up.
Look, I'm drinking.
Can't drink about this ice in the way. No, real.
That was little.
That was little, you suck. Watch me be like Shrek. Still little.
Did you just sit back in there?
I look like an ice. Nobody else is in there.
Whoa, baby. Okay, girl.
Wait, I have more. Wait, it's longer. Wait, I was done.
This video is very long. Don't quit on me. Because you have like and now like and I'm like the older one.
It's like it's a glorious
Okay, but that's to drink a lot of alcohol.
You can't drink the whole thing, girl.
It's getting my eyes watery.
Little.
Yours was long, okay?
Wait, that's burp.
Go, I'm gonna turn off because it's really long. Hurry. Now how about a text from Steven Ivan? Bro, my roof is like gas.